Assalamu alaikum. I am Asad Yusuf and welcome to MPT channel. Today I'm gonna give you a short presentation over the safety guide of TrueBeam. So these are the visual cues you will find at the TrueBeam. There is a manual. Usually they place the manual there. So overview: machine access movement, beam generation, radiation protection, electricity, data communication. So there are two mechanisms: internal mechanism and external mechanism. Internal mechanism includes system communication, self-checking software, safety interlocks, whereas external mechanism, warning lights, where you can see outside the bunker or inside the bunker, audio alerts like TTT, beeps, sound, motion control, treatment room monitoring devices. System hazards. These are some of the examples of system hazards. These are some potential failure and associated hazards with those failures, and also have written the prevention actions for those hazards. So failure would be a damage of drive, position sensor, problem with the toes, symmetry, flatness, subsystem, supervisor, interruption between the subsystem and main controller, interruption between the workstation and main controller, corruption of data. So these are some prevention action one should remember while dealing with TrueBeam. TrueBeam Safety System: two independent systems comprise the safety system, two communication systems, and they are independent. It cannot be disabled. So main system include network communication and controller area network, whereas safety loop system include power enable motion loops, motion enable loops, KV beam enable loops, and beam enable loops. These are the safety loop you can find in the safety in the service mode. You will find that. Treatment room monitoring, and this is on the console. You will see the patient with this monitor, and also there are two extra monitor and having those screens at the console area. Treatment room monitoring, warning lights, and this is a console. You can see the monitoring units, and you can also record these monitoring units. And if there is a failure, these monitoring units work as a backup counter as well. So audio alert is there, beam alert, notice alert, ready to operate alert, those monitoring, beam off buttons is available on the console. Collision prevention and detection. So this is the area, if any object come close to this area, machine will stop. And this is how it works. And also give the equipment for the QA of these safety measures. And these detections are available in laser guard. The laser guard is there, KVMB measure arm, CCD system, electron applicator. This is the outline of that KV measure. So emergency procedure handling electrical fire. One should have this system at the unit. Overdose, first aid in case of exposure of these gases. Sulfur hexafluoride is the part of the guide system. Lead is present, and there is a present as a shield. Beryllium present in the window of the banding magnet. Dielectric insulating oil used in the pulse transformer, ozone, and oxide of nitrogen. Corner guidelines, warnings, emergency stop button, monitoring the temperature, pressure, and humidity of the room. Emergency flashlights. Training should be conducted for the employees, and also physicist responsibilities to do survey and calibration QA. Essential performance statement of the machine. Machine shall maintain these essential performance. This is from the vendor side. The amount of dose delivered shall be plus minus 2%. The MB beam characteristics will not affect the turbidity treatment. There will be no loss of treatment data on the treatment console. The KVMA imager will not produce the imaging quality problems that will influence the diagnosis and result in inability to perform treatment. No unexpected start of the machine resulting in beaming on without operator action. No unexpected movement of the machine couch, gantry, KV imager, collimator, multi-leaf collimator. The machine couch and gantry shall ensure the accuracy of movement control. EP7, no major component failure or major malfunction resulting in the treatment error. So these are specification of the machine from the vendor side. So remember the safety first. This is what is important. Thank you for listening. I'm signing off.